Okay, so now you set your LGTV, 4K LGTV to game mode in order to get the best possible and the lowest input lag, and it looks blurry. So how to fix that? The fix is really easy, is to increase sharpness. So you click on settings, and then go left, and you click on all settings, and you wait now. So it's loading. So as you can see here, it says picture, and select mode, it says game optimizer, which is the mode that disables every post processing settings on the TV. And you want to go down to advanced settings and choose clarity. And right now, as you can see, all of these are off, which is good. And the adjust sharpness is 10. So the TV standard and the vivid, the standard uses 25, and the vivid uses 30 sharpness. So we're gonna make this 25. And if you feel it's not enough, make it 30. If you feel it's over sharpness, then make it 20. But now I'm gonna make it 25, which is the default TV standard settings, which I think is good. Now we go back, and it says here 25. Now and another thing, we go to all settings. Now it's gonna say the game optimizer user thing. It's gonna say, which means that if you do not like it, you can just come here and reset the settings for this game optimizer thing. It will only reset the game optimizer to its default if you click OK, which is really good. Now your TV is gonna look a lot better, a lot sharper, and yeah, you can now enjoy your game.